Welcome back. Hello student, are you ready? I am going to discuss numerical related capacitor. As shown in figure, a dielectric substance of dielectric constant K is inserted in half of portion between the plates of parallel plate capacitor as shown in figure here. If the initial capacitance is C, then what will be the new capacitance? Here given C initial capacitance. It means in the absence of dielectric constant K, when there is no dielectric constant material in plate of capacitor, it means. Therefore, C equal to epsilon A by D, equation 1. When half filled dielectric constant, here area is divided. When area is divided, then combination will be this portion and this portion in parallel combination. If there is distance between the plates of capacitor in divided, then that will be in series. But here area divided. When half filled dielectric constant K, C dash equal to C1 plus C2 epsilon A by 2 upon D plus K epsilon A by 2 upon D. C dash equal to epsilon A upon 2D plus K epsilon A upon 2D. Taking common epsilon A upon 2D 1 plus K epsilon A by D, put the value from equation 1, we will get C by 2 1 plus K. This is the answer of the question. This first here. Come on the second. In given network, calculate equivalent capacitance between A and B as shown in figure. If voltage of 150 volt is applied between the A and B, calculate potential difference between the plates of 6 microfarad capacitance. Now, first this 2 and 3, these are in series combination, so that equivalent capacitance 1 by C1 equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, that will be here 5 by 6, or C1 equal to 6 by 5 1 by 2 microfarad. This in place of this and this are parallel, 1 by 1.2 C1 and this 1.8 in parallel combination. Therefore, C2 equal to you can say 1.2 microfarad plus 1.8 microfarad, 3.0 microfarad. Now equivalent capacitance between A and B, this total and this 6 microfarad in again series combination. 1 by C total are equivalent to 1 by C T equal to 1 by C 2 plus 1 by 6, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, 2 plus 1 upon 6, 3 by 6. This is a equivalent capacitance 6 by 3, 2 microfarad. Now equivalent charge means total charge between the equivalent capacitor plates. Q equal to CT into V. V initially given here 150 volt this. Now we know that in series this 6 in series combination, so that total charge always in series combination remain constant for each capacitor. Therefore, potential difference we dash along 6 microfarad, mean between the plates of the 6 microfarad, V dash equal to Q upon C. C means 6 microfarad, 300 upon 6 microfarad, 50 volt. This is the answer of second question. Now come on the question. Third, a 100 picofarad capacitor charge to a potential difference, to a potential difference 100 volt, it is a connected to another capacitor in parallel. If final voltage be 30 volt, then what will be the capacitance of second capacitor? Then what will be capacitance of second capacitor? How much energy will be wasted? How much energy will be wasted? And what happened, and what will happen to it? Solution. Charge on 100 picofarad capacitor, Q equal to CV 100 into 10 power minus 12 farad picofarad into 100 volt, that equal to 1 into 100 into 10 power minus 10 coulomb. Equal to, or you can say this is a 1 into 10 power minus 8 coulomb. Now Q equal to, because connected, total charge remain constant, C1 plus C2 into V dash Q remain constant, potential may be change, potential reduced to 30, this here 100 into 10 power minus 10 equal to C1 100 into 10 power minus 12 plus C2 into 30. From this, (100) into 10 power minus 10 upon 30 equal to 1 into 10 power minus 10 plus C2, or you can say that is a 1 into 10 power minus 9 1 by 3 equal to 1 into 10 power minus 10 plus C2 as you this are 10 into 10 by 3 into 10 power minus 10 minus 1 into 10 power minus 10 equal to C2. Therefore C2 equal to, you can say 10 by 3 minus 1 into 10 power minus 10. C2 equal to 7 by 3. After calculating you will get minus 10 farad. This is now energy before distribution charge. Initial energy E1, initial energy E1 equal to half CV square. E1 equal to half, C means 100 into 10 power minus 12, V means 100 into square. You will get 50 into 10 power minus 12 into 10 power 4. U1 equal to 50 into 10 power minus 8 joule. Final energy U2 equal to half C1 plus C2 V dash square. 1 by 2 100 into 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 10 plus 7 by 3 into 10 power minus 10 into V means 30 square. Then 1 by 2, this become here 3 plus 7 by 3 into 10 power minus 10 into 900. This become 1 by 2 10 by 3 into 10 power minus into 9 into 10 power minus 8. This is 15 into 10 power minus 8 joule. Loss in energy U dash equal to U1 minus U2, 50 into 10 power minus 8 minus 15 into 10 power minus 8. U dash equal to 35 into 10 power minus 8 joule, or U dash equal to 3.5 into 10 power minus 7 joule. It loss in form of heat. Loss of energy in form of heat during the charging, form of heat. Now next question. All of you write down. Now next question. Question 4. 3 capacitors C1 equal to C1 C2 3 microfarad, 6 microfarad, C3 this 10 microfarad, and this 6 volt battery. Equivalent capacitor as shown in figure. Calculate equivalent. Calculate first equivalent capacitance. Number 2, electrostatic potential energy stored in system. Electrostatic potential energy stored in system. First solution. First, this and this unit C2 in series, so that 1 by C dash equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, that equal to, you can say, 6 LCM, 2 plus 1, 3 by 6, 1 by 2, या C dash equal to 2 microfarad. C equivalent equal to C dash this and this in a parallel combination, 10 microfarad, this 2 plus 10 microfarad, that is a 12 microfarad, means C equivalent equal to 12 microfarad. And now energy stored in system of, this is a 10 volt. Energy stored in system equal to half C equivalent V square, half C equivalent 12 into 10 power minus 6 into V 10 whole square. This 6 into 10 power minus 6 into 100, 6 into 10 power minus 4 joule, or this is answer. This is a U equal to this much energy. Here, now come on, find the equivalent capacitance. Question 5. Find equivalent capacitance as shown in figure. figure 2 microfarad A, B, 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 2 microfarad, and this is given 3 microfarad. This C1, take this C2, take this C3, take and C4, C2 equal to solution. In which Stonebridge C1 by C2 equal to C by C4, then there is no charge accumulate on, there is no charge accumulate on C5, means this is in equilibrium. This is equilibrium position C5, means C1 plus C2 C3 by C4 C5 will be unaffected. Therefore 2 by 2 equal to 2 by 2 ratio. Here 1 by C1 equal to this 1 by C dash equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. The charge which on capacitor C1 will be lies on capacitor C2. The charge which lies on C3 will be lies on C4. This C1 C2 in series, C3 C4 series. Therefore 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 by 2, that 1 by 1. C dash equal to 1 microfarad. Now come on this type. 1 by C double dash equal to 1 by C3 plus C4. These are also in series. 1, this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 1 by 1, C double dash equal to 1 microfarad. But now this and this means this combination here, this there are two paths, so that this is in parallel. C equivalent equal to C dash plus C double dash. C equivalent equal to 1 plus 1, 2 microfarad. This is the answer. All of solve these questions. All of you solve these questions related to the capacitor. If you have any problem, you can discuss to me again.